Hello everyone, welcome back. First of all, let's take a minute to contemplate this beautiful kitchen set for the last time. Because, as you may have seen on the title, we are going to give this kitchen a brand new look. I do have a plan. I just need it to be executed the way I envision it. That on itself is already a challenge, to be truthful. I would love to build a big functional kitchen. In order to do that, I need to use this set as a base. So, for now, we're going to take this whole set down and give it a little bit of refreshment. So, yeah, before we get started, let me give you a little tour of the kitchen. As you can see, everything is still in good condition, except maybe the colors in some areas. Nothing big, I can say. I think I just need to see something different. Yeah, I can't wait to see the result. Okay, we're going to start with this one. This fridge is my favorite one as far as the size and the design. Let me take this out without breaking anything. You know what? The first thing should be probably to take this. All right. I was able to take this one off as well. How about this one? Actually, the technique is to bend the door a little bit and pull down. Pull down gently. Woo! Did I break it? I hope not. Okay, it's okay. We are fine. Good job. Dishwasher. Good. Okay. Oh, that was easy. Go with this one. Two one. I was about to take them off. To add something to let me know that the side is the right side, just a little. This piece left. I don't know if I'm going to take it off, but I think I should. I don't know if that can work. That is too not the bad thing. We'll come back to this one later. Start with the back. I'll have to start with this side. Was probably the hardest one to remove, but I finally did it. Alright, how do we remove this piece? Ooh, I'm not sure about that. Can we even do it? It will probably be the one the hardest to paint. So now we're going to tackle the smaller piece, like the handles, which is probably not that difficult to take off. The button, and this one that was here as well. The stickers that was here. Right, and push. Just like that. Now I want to remove the sticker if possible. Ah, yeah. Which is just push this one out, take this one out. Now we can pull this. That was the sink. Just by pushing it the other to the other side. There is. So I found something a little smaller. I hope it works. Okay. Oh, we can pull it off this way. Now can this go through perfectly? Then it's glued down. And this one is connected. Is it connected for it? No, it's not connected. What makes it? Oh, that's the button that when you push it activates the. Oh, I was able to remove this. Actually, there was just a bunch of glue, luckily removable glue that you need to remove in order to separate the pieces. It took me a moment to understand what was going on, but I finally made it after this many years. The glue still like this. So here we are with our skeleton kitchen. Now let me show you all the painting I'm going to use. So this is the white spray that I'm going to use. I've used this one before. It's almost done. So yeah, so this one will go on all the skeleton of the kitchen. And then we're going to use the black one for like the handles, I guess. We're going to use this color, chalk effect in Scottish green. Yeah, so this will be like the facade, mostly the facade of the kitchen. I'm back. Sorry, I forgot to bring the gold one as well for some of the handles. Let's get to the dirt. Hello everyone, we are back. You won't believe this, but this is literally like 2 days later and a lot has happened. I don't even know where to start. First of all, I went ahead and painted everything white, all the structure of the kitchen. So the next step will be to put everything together. I can't wait to get over with this project because I wasn't expecting that this would be so much work and a lot had happened in the process. Like I lost one nail. I'm not even going to bother to put it back for the moment. And then I hurt myself pretty badly. Like the thing is really deep and it hurts. Let's start with the fridge. I wanted to see the result with the fridge. Let's make some space on here. How was it? I went ahead and painted it white so that we can have like a uniform color inside the fridge. So now I decided to paint the handle black, so we will have like black and white kind of thing going on. I'm just trying to figure out which one goes with the fridge. Oh, they pretty much look all the same. And yeah, just pick any. I don't want to use anything to force it in. As you can see, I painted the inside white as well. It's a little dusty. Okay, we did it. So this is for this one. Oh, it looks so cute. Okay, before I move on, let's see if I can remove this thingy. Oh shoot. I hope I won't regret this. Oh no. I'm just going to use paint to add on top. Okay, let's do this one. Oh yes, it's working. Okay, that's dangerous. We have to limit the damage. See? Just pull it out gently. Yeah, this is satisfying. Yes. Okay, here we do have something black as well. Oh yes, it's coming out. Well, I think I'm just going to paint on top. I'm trying to make some circle. So this is the result. I think I did a little too much. Trying to make circles by hands. Yeah. I love the contrast with the black and white. This is amazing. For the bottom part, this is. I don't think I could have done better than this. But the thingy. Okay. Oh yes, baby. I am loving this. OMG, look at that. Isn't that cool? Looks like a real white fridge. Okay, for the top, I decided to go with this color. Now, the little backstory about this color. Oh, the reason why I picked up this color. Initially, I was going with another color, which was like a chalk paint, and I was so convinced that it would be like the perfect thing. Well, the color was perfect, but I didn't anticipate how the paint will react on the plastic thingy. It was so bad. Let me tell you, it was so bad. So I decided to remove the thing and to just remove the paint from these little pieces. All these pieces. It was a battle. So I decided to scrap, and I removed as much as I could. But unfortunately, you can see some dent on the surface. Like even the second print, which was not this paint was not my first choice of color, so I had to pick up something that was available in the supermarket. So I decided to go with this color. Unfortunately, it was not able to cover the little dent properly. It's not ugly. It's not like horrible. We can still work with it, but yeah, I would have preferred it to be like a clean surface and everything. Unfortunately, that didn't work. Like it's not as flat as I would have loved it to be. So it going here on top. I don't know if I like it. Like I feel like it would have just been better if I had painted in white, the whole thing in white. Now, just to bring a little bit of contrast, I went ahead and I painted the handle in gold. It's not bad. We just need to get used to it. It's not bad. It's actually cute. There we go. We are done with this one. This one is the oven. I hope I remember the way everything was positioned. This was all these three buttons go on top, and this other one goes from the inside. It looks so good. Now all this other stuff that is unnecessary, I can either remove them or just leave them in there. Alright, I was able to insert it properly. Now this button went in. I'm not touching anything else. I am not touching anything else. Let's move on to the top of the thingy. I wanted it in black, and yeah, I painted it black and I tried to cover it when I was painting the whole thing white, and I can't say that it didn't work. Oh no. Do you know what I noticed? Like when you do painting and you use white tack, it can on the plastic, the paint, and the white tack will melt and damage the plastic. I think that's what happened because it was not supposed to do this. I don't care anyway. It's not that visible. I'm just going to paint over it and that's it. We have the oven thingy. Let's put them inside. We did it. We were about to put it in. Doesn't that look good? We're going to give it its handle. Ooh, how fancy! To the layer of paint, and even here, yeah. Let's put the top first. And here we're going to add a little bit of glitter. I guess this is the washing machine and oven, not oven, micro ovens. So I went ahead and installed the top cabinet. Now we're going to install the rest of the cabinets. I have the door microwave. This goes right here. Oh, the other part. we have a sticker on here on the side. I don't know if I need to find another sticker instead. Okay, so that's one button. Listen, I don't know who said that this was an easy task. Just to enter this thing in the little hole, I damaged the paint. I don't know if you can see here. The white paint is off, and my finger are sore at this point. So I decided to break one side of the thing to get it in. Like, and now we can add the little stickers that came with it. Thing left. This is probably the easiest one. Okay, that was an easy insert. Okay, so this is how it looks like. The sink is supposed to go here, but my plan is to remove this sink and add another sink, which I will be doing in the next video. So here we are. This is the kitchen almost done, and I feel like I'm going to leave this top part open, and I'll show you the reason why. This part is where I plan to hang like the spoons and the kitchen utensil here, and I break it in the process of me removing with this thing, like going like this. Not only I break it, and this thing got into my finger, which is the reason why. Yeah. Now I will have to do something new to replace the little bar. It's supposed to be a black bar here. Well, I guess this project is not completely over because there is a bigger one coming up, which I'm excited about. And yeah, it would include this part of the kitchen. Just for a little clue, it will be like just a big kitchen included with the living room. I don't want to spoil it now, but keep watching. So yeah, this is one part of the problem that I've just explained to you. So now we have this part, the top part. What can I tell you? When I tell you that this was the part that I was the most excited about, and I completely fell like F. How do you do F? I am so mad at myself right now because, hold on, let me just show you. Let me show you. I don't know what I'm supposed to do with this. Like, it's a whole lot of mess. I can't use it anymore. Like, the thing looks ridiculous. And I think the reason that it came out like this is because I used white tack to hold the paper in place in order to protect the glass. And the white tack ended up mixing with the paint, which made a reaction and then melted the plastic. I don't even want to talk about it at this point because I'm so mad. It could have given us something so nice right here. OMG. So yeah, I will definitely do a part 2 of this video because we have to fix this and add a sink. I will have to add a new countertop. So yeah, that's the final result. Tell me what you think, and I can't wait to do the next video. Like, I'm already working on it. You guys shouldn't miss it at all. Give me some thumbs up and let me know in the comment section if you did like this, if you like this kind of projects. I will see you in the next video, I guess. So peace.